shocking machines that can destroy everything. Today, we're gonna look for the craziest, strongest, and biggest destructors in the world that could possibly give you a shock. So, fasten your seatbelts for this destructive journey. These machines can mill, dredge, and cut their way through any material, be it mining, excavation, demolition, land clearance, or defense. Let me mention one thing here. The way a structure is demolished or destructed and the machinery that is used is based on several varying factors, including the materials, the size, and the surrounding environment, i.e., planning the correct methodology and equipment to use is the key to a successful demolition destruction. Well, the machines being discussed here are the marvels of engineering and truly depict the extreme development of mankind. Do like our channel and leave your guesses in the comment section below, and stay tuned. Let's first discuss IDF D9 Armored Bulldozer, a military-based destructor as well as a savior at the same time. The Israel Defense Forces Combat Engineering Corps uses the IDF D9 Armored Bulldozer, which is based on a Caterpillar D9 track-type tractor for counterterrorism operations, combat engineering missions, and various earthworks and construction projects. The D9 is equipped with an Israeli defense system that includes armor plates, bulletproof glass, and slat fortification, making it immune to terrorist weapons, bombs, and enemy fire. Countless IDF soldiers and Israeli civilians have been saved thanks to the IDF D9. Can undoubtedly be termed as an invincible caterpillar. Moving towards our next entry, Takraf Raptor 800 guarantees performance and efficiency for some toughest challenges. The Raptor 800 was designed specifically for the most demanding operations such as heavy land clearance, vegetation management around pipelines and power lines, the development of fire breaks, and recultivation work in professional plantations and forestry. Entirely made in Germany in terms of design and production, strictly built for long-term use, productivity, and ease of maintenance right down to the minute details. When combined with M900 mulcher, results in an unrivaled colossus that offers maximum convenience. Bears a resemblance to the 1870 locust invasion in Canada somehow that ruined the vegetation all over. Let's now shed some light on bucket wheel excavator. Enormous bucket wheel excavators are employed whenever huge amounts of overburden and earth have to be extracted and moved efficiently and cost effectively in order to get a deeper raw material layers. Bucket wheel excavators are available with a linked conveyor bridge and loading unit, or as a single unit with a discharge boom, depending on the mining layout. Seems to be a hungry T-Rex looking for a yummy treat. Vermeer Commander T755 is the next enormous entry on our list. Offers rugged durability that gets the job done, i.e. the T755 is a piece of 66,000 pound raw equipment that can withstand even the most difficult digging circumstances. The heavy-duty machine has 61,600 pounds of tractive force for smooth, steady performance without excessive ground pressure, where competitors' lighter machines may bounce when operating on solid rock. Furthermore, it provides improved torque, meets all modern pollution regulations, and has an anti-stall mechanism to protect the engine and its components, including hydraulics with an uncompromising design and low maintenance power. Can be compared to the moles and anteaters when it comes to the ultimate digging techniques. Kobelco SK3500D has made it to the list, being huge at an extra level. When it comes to the big skyscrapers that are erected in cities, a unique piece of equipment is needed to bring them down. The Kobelco SK3500D crane was created to demolish extremely tall structures with a working height of up to 213 feet. A mechanical claw reaches up with its long arm to demolish the structure. The crab claw-like pincer seems small from the ground, but is actually quite huge and can crush almost everything. The crane is enormous to such an extent that it's delivered in several pieces to the job site, where it is assembled for demolition. It makes rapid work of the job, which is usually old plants, foundries, and occasionally buildings with a working radius of 72 feet. An interesting fact here for you guys. It would take 100 SK3500Ds in height to bring Burj Khalifa down. Whew, sounds crazy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's now discuss a certified beast, the Crusher. Designed to apply high forces to large particles, usually employing a relatively slow compressive force that produces predominantly cleavage fracture, and is widely being used as a primary stage to produce the particulate product finer than about 50 to 100 millimeters. Often utilized in aggregate production, construction material recycling, and mining operations, usually classified as the jaw, gyratory, and cone crushers based on compression, cutter mill based on shear, and hammer crusher based on impact, optimized for any size reduction requirements. Hope you won't be surprised to know that this monster can eat almost everything. PC 4000 and Genesis 2555R heavy-duty shear. McMahon Services has recently built the largest, heaviest, and most powerful mobile demolition shear with a massive physical presence, combining a 400-ton Komatsu excavator with the world's largest heavy-duty cutting shear. The steel is capable of piercing through 80 millimeters high-grade steel with a cutting force of 5,500 psi, 400 times more than the highest barometric pressure ever recorded on Earth. Oof, what a tremendous force. Well, that's it for today, guys. So, which machine do you think is truly capable of destroying everything? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep watching more of such amazing and crazy stuff. Signing off now. Have a nice day, friends. Bye.